Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the problem so you don't replace parts unnecessarily. With the console off and the controller unplugged, inspect around the stick boot for dust or crumbs. That's often the cause. Once done, plug the controller back in and test in the Switch Home menu to note drift direction and intensity. Make sure you have 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, cotton swabs, and compressed air ready. These let you clean without opening the controller, which is the easiest, reliable first step. Now you'll remove trapped grime and reset the sensor. Start with short bursts of compressed air around the stick base while rotating the stick slowly. This dislodges loose particles. Next, dampen a cotton swab with isopropyl alcohol, do not soak, and work it around the stick seam while moving the stick through its full range. Once the exterior feels clean, plug in and power the console. Hold the stick centered for a few seconds and check the home menu. The controller sensor often recenters after this procedure. Finish by calibrating the stick in the switch system settings so software corrections apply. Go to Controllers and Sensors, choose Calibrate Control Sticks, and follow the prompts to map neutral and extremes. This often cures mild drift. If drift continues, repeat the cleaning cycle or check game options for a small dead zone setting to mask remaining movement. If all else fails, the analog potentiometer may be worn. Then opening the controller to replace the module or swapping the controller is the next practical step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.